Hi everybody, it's Brett Miller again, and today we're going to go through our Google Calendar. So the first thing you want to do, as we did last time, is pull out your browser. Again, I'm going to use Firefox. You can use Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, or a Firefox. Again, you want to log in or get to Google. So if you have it bookmarked, you can pull up your bookmark, enter your username and password. And if you again haven't, you can just type in google.com, go to the search engine page, and click on our sign in. Once we're here, this is again where we can log in to our account by entering in the username and password. And once we have done that, again, our indication that we are into our account is up here now. We see the account owner's name. Pastor Richard McKay is this account again. So now we want to get to calendar. So how do we get there? Well, again, up in the upper top black area here is a menu. And this menu has all the different applications. We're going to click on calendar. And so what ends up happening is all of a sudden we are going to see our calendar. Now, so we are in our calendar position, and the first thing I want to just talk about is again what we can do to the calendar. So here's our gears, which is our settings. Let's click on settings, and we now are in the back of the calendar that can tell us, so we can make all the different changes we want to. I was going to make the default view as a month. So I'm going to make that change. Click Save. And now you can see that I'm seeing it in a month's view instead of a week. Let's see. Okay, so now we're in our Google Calendar. So we want to now add an event. So the easiest way to create an event is to go to the day that you want to enter it. And the reason that's the easiest way is it takes that date and you don't have to retype it. Or you can just click create, which then is going to ask you, or you're going to have to change the date if it's not the date that's today. So let's try it both ways. So I'm going to create an event. We click on it, and as I said, it's showing me it's in today's today because I did not click on a particular day. So let's put Bible study. We are going to make it at 6 o'clock. It doesn't repeat, and it's at Hope Friends Church. And then all we have to do is click Save, and now you'll see right here that our event has been created. Now again, the other way you can do is just go to, so say we have a Bible study that's on the 21st. Click on that day, and it's already got my date already set. So, of course, the ladies have a Bible study on here. And we have it set and saved. And now we've got the ladies' Bible study on the 21st. Okay? So now, if you look at this calendar for New Hope, they have basically, they have a couple of several repeating events. And so they have a Bible study every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. They have, of course, worship service every Sunday at 10 and Sunday school at every 9. So now what I want to show you is how to set up a repeat event. So we're going to do a Friday night event, and we're going to start, this is going to be the first day, so August 10th will be the first day. And this is going to be another Bible study. And this is going to repeat. So I am going to, first I'm going to turn off it being all day, and I'm going to indicate what time. So this is a 5 o'clock start. And we're going to repeat this. So when I click on the repeat button, I'm going to get questions as to when, how this repeats. So it's a repeat weekly, which is correct. So you can set up all different kinds of repeats in situations, monthly, yearly, whatever it might be, daily. So you've got all kinds of options. You can tell it how many weeks it's going to run. You're going to tell it which day it is always going to be on. You could say when it's starting, which is the date that we started. Here's the end date. So you can have this go forever, or you can set it up to go to a certain time. So once you're comfortable with all your settings, you click Done. And so now we're going to add where it is at. And we're going to click Save. And you can see right here, so the first day that I started was on the 10th of August. From that point on, that is now repeating every week on my Google Calendar. So now I am in I'm in the month of August. I want to see how it looks in September. And as you can see here, here's my repeat. It's continuing to go. It's showing it there. Now the ones that I did, just the two individuals, they're not here. So you can see that that's not the case. So you can go through each month. You can set up anything as far out as you want. It goes unlimitedly. And a quick way to get back is click the Today button, and now I'm back to our day here. So you can see this is a fairly simple, easy way to manage your Google Calendar. It's just add an event. It can be repeats. It can be just individual events. So this is where you can add your VBS, your special events, anything that you might have going on that you want to let the church know. Because this calendar is now going to be on your website, and it's important that it's kept up to date, and so that people can get the information when they need it. So here is how you can make those changes. So again, if you have any questions on this, certainly let me know, email me, and I can help you go through this. But the calendar is pretty straightforward. I think most of you should have no problems with it. And I hope you use it to the fullest and keep it up to date. So next we're going to talk about the website. We'll go through how to add pages and make changes and things of that nature. So until then, thanks and God bless. Bye-bye.